last train leaves for the highlands just before the break of dawn. The early morning rain clouds are a-gathering. I can picture you and your father even though you weren't born. Walking across the tracks and you were trembling, and I can dream up how you filled my cup. Well, you came on strong like a sweet sad song when I was down on my luck. And you be on my mind, and I'll be on your side. We'll be home and dry tonight. I've been stuck inside of a mountain and in the belly of a beast. I've been claiming my own destiny. I've been 1,000 miles into heaven and I've been swallowed by the sea. I've been away from home and my family, and I can dream up how you filled my cup. Well, you came on strong like a sweet sad song when I was down on my luck. And you be on my mind, and I'll be on your side. We'll be home and dry tonight. So won't you sing to me, tiny dancer? Let me forget about the rest. Let me sleep in your tenderness. Oh, let me get the things that I long for. Let me lose all my regrets. The time has come for us to be free and blessed, and I can dream up how you filled my cup. Well, you came on strong like a sweet sad song when I was down on my luck. And you be on my mind for the rest of time. We'll be home